Hi and welcome. This is a stand of Highlite International here at ISE 2023. My name is Fina Mateo. I will be introducing the latest developments from Highlite International, starting with the DMT Alpha Series and Premier Series Blue Line. The Premier Series is already known by the people who know us and the people who knows DMT. This has been developed to also meet the requirements of rentals, but at the same time offer a price that it's affordable and entry level, so you can access to it. The main difference between the Premier Series and the Alpha, as you can see, is the type of pixel. You can see here the Alpha Series is black, while the pixel from the Premier Series blue line is actually white. You can see that also in the image. Besides that, they are both developed with a pixel pitch of 3.9 at the moment. These are the ones that we offer so far. And while the Alpha Series only comes in this shape, 50 by 50 centimeters, the Premier Series blue line, we have it also in 1 meter by 50 centimeters. LED screen is much more complex. I invite you to visit our website, discover everything about it, and you can reach it at highlite.com.